Unit 3 CSS. In this chapter we are going to creating your CSS style sheets here. So CSS is used for to creating the style sheets, and physical appearance of web page can be changed by using the CSS only. Like something we can use for a formatting or displaying the things of your web pages by using the CSS only. Whenever you are going to using the CSS coding, that should be right or inline out external also. So for inline there is a no separate thing will be there. For external we have to save the file with extension called as a .cst. .cst we have to use to save the your file here. So under this CSS, okay, some of the things we have to very important to know that the styles selector. The selectors here, whenever you are specifying a any elements of HTML, that comes under the cell vector. In HTML we can give the, okay, for example in HTML we are giving paragraph, like computer we are using, and we are going to closing this paragraph here. So this all the thing we called as an N elements here, HTML elements here. Same as in your CSS, the code should be right under the style tag, okay, and you have to specify that one which element you are to changing. For example, I am changing about the paragraph element, so that we have to use here under the paragraph element, okay. So that we have to use under the style. So P you have to go and write the bracket, you have to specify. So what are the code you have to give here, okay, and lastly semicolon and closing here. This P is comes under the selector. This P as comes under the selector. And the property, so what are the things we are giving a name, like uh, alignment, okay, or colors, or this one, okay. Just to see, I give some example on this one. For example, I use a style, style style, okay. Under this one we are going to using some button background we are changing it. So button button. So a flower bracket open, we are saying a background color, okay, is to red, semicolon, and closing. So this button is comes under the, this button is comes under the, as I told you, under the selector. And the background color, what are the thing we are written, background color comes under the property, and red comes under the value. To better understand, see the some program here. So here I use that one, HTML head body, another body I specify the button, and the button name is subscribe. So there is a output you can see here now. So I want to change this back subscribe button to a red color, like a YouTube you can like here, so that we can use a under the your head tag, you can write the code of styles, okay. So I'm going to writing now. So button background color red, semicolon, this is we are written code under the style. So here button is comes under selector, and background color comes under the property, red comes under the property value or value. Now I'm saving, see the output of the your program here now. So the now I'm refreshing this one, it will become a red. To change this color for a font, you can use a background color COLOR color. Okay, white WHIT, white and semicolon. I am saving here. Refresh here now. Spelling error COLOR, sorry, color. Refresh now. So E is missing here. So save. I think not save. Refresh. So now it is appearing white color. Okay. So spelling should be must same. Otherwise you cannot get. So for example, we are see here some borders we are seeing of button. Okay. I want to remove this border now. So we can use a property called as border. BO or DE or border colon none NONE none. Save now. See that this background will be removed now. See, simple. So like this one we can use the CSS selectors and CSS for your web pages.